So if you're live streaming, all of the same copyright rules apply. So let's put this into other scenarios. So one, let's say that I wanted to add, because we have like a sound effects panel over here too on the Rodecaster that we use. Let's say that we wanted to add like Will Ferrell cracking a joke of some kind there to just kind of reinforce something that we might be saying. Then we would be using that inappropriately. And that wouldn't fall under fair use or anything like that. So you definitely do not want to do that sort of things in terms of your sound pads. People do it. People get away with it, but at any moment, that door could close for those people.